So, ito yung 7. Yes, the 7-Eleven. Ito, anong shohin na to, Sotaka? これはこれはお前何これお前ものだってお前ものだって美味しいかなお前もの商品だってどうするそれかお前ものあとは30これいつまでそうだか30円引きセブンカフェスイーツこれ30円引きこれドーナツだドーナツが30円引きだよ30円 so it's 30% delete 30% 30 yen off minus 30 off so nag-sale ng 30 off 30 yen off 7-Eleven okay 書いてあるじゃあ見てくるかでも中ねちょっと携帯がダメだから動画ダメだよっしょ行くよYes, ito yung nabili ni Minnesota Kang. Ano yung nabili natin sa Kang? Ay, so, dahil ako kita, tara. So, yung binili na Minnesota Kang dito sa 7-Eleven is yung yan, sweets. We're going to try. Nasa takong, oy di, suchi ka na. So, we're going to try yung mga sweets nila sa takang, no? So, donuts, it's a 7 Cafe Bakery dito sa 7-Eleven. Yes. So, we're going to try this one. Ngayon na. Ito yung unang itatry natin. So, bumili kami ni Sutakong. Yes, bumili kami ng tatlo. Yes, we have 3 products, items that we buy in the 7-Eleven Japan ni Sutakong. So, tikman natin yung una. Tatlo lang dahil wala nang available. It's sold out. Parang may doon. They have 5 items but the 2 items is already sold out na talaga. So ito yung nangyayari ngayon sa 7-Eleven Japan. They have agimono pang mga donut style na mga sweets na available ngayon sa 7-Eleven Japan. So maybe it's only today nga mga agimono in Japan. So itong mga lima siguro there's 5 items there in 7-Eleven you can buy today. So I hope na pagpunta nyo na matiming niyo yung may available pa nito because konti lang yung nilalabas nila na items na nito everyday. So I hope makatry kayo nito, okay? So yan ang itatry natin ngayon dahil available today ang mga agimono pang sa 7-Eleven. So if we said mga agimono, mga fry na sila, mga fry na mga sweets, mga donuts, mga ganon. So let's try the first items na binili ko. So ito yung kakainin ko ngayon. Okay.
The 7 Cafe Bakery. Freshly fried curry bread, karapan, is a regular menu staple at 7-Eleven Japan, not a limited edition item, though it often flies off the shelves so fast it might feel like one. What makes this curry bread interesting is how it bridges convenience with freshly prepared quality. Unlike prepackaged snacks, this version is fried on the spot in the store, giving it that irresistible warmth and aroma that draws you in the moment you approach the heated display case. At 149 yen, about 160 yen and 92 cents with tax, it offers excellent value for what you get. Instantly fried, hot comfort food that tastes much better than pre-made alternatives. You're paying for freshness and flavor, not just convenience. Overall, this curry bread delivers great taste, satisfying texture, and strong value, making it a standout pick among convenience store snacks in Japan.
Ito siya. So, this is the, karipang. So, this is the karipang. Ito. Yes. So, ito yung tinatawag dito sa Japan na, ito yung tinatawag nila na karipang. So, if we say, karipang, it's, agimono pala, na, donuts. So, sa loob ng donuts, you have the donuts, ang sa loob niya is you have the curry paste. So yes, yung amoy niya is curry. We can smell the curry na yung baho niya, yung flavor niya, yung ng curry, yung smell ng curry. Yes, nagugutom na ako. So, tignan natin. Yes, we're going to try our first bite and first taste. Yes, this is my first time na mag-try ng donuts kare sa 7-Eleven Japan. Oo, it's my first time. So, excited akong makatry nito and feel ko, masarap siya dahil, crunchy yung, the donut, it's very crunchy. Yes. So, yes, try natin. And ito is lang, magkano ba to? It's 100, it's いくらだっけこれ100円ぐらいね。It's 100 yen above. So, yes. First bite and first taste nito. The donuts curry from 7-Eleven Japan. いただきます。So, ang review ko nito is sobrang crunchy. The donuts bread, itong donuts na ginamit nila is very crunchy sa sa ibabaw niya. The donuts, I like the donuts. Yes, masarap din yung curry niya. It's a little kick of spicy, the curry paste. Masarap. It's delicious. Minasang, it's delicious talaga. But the crunchiness is I think, is the star dito. So, yes, it's a 4.5 for me. Ang rank nito, yes. If mahilig ka sa donuts, this is isa sa mga recommended ito sa iyo. This one for you if you love donuts. Yes. And with the curry paste, kung mahilig ka sa curry plus donuts, curry na paste, curry na aji, curry flavor. Yes. A little spicy. So, this is for you guys. So, yes, magbili na kayo sa 7-Eleven Japan ito ngayon. Pero if you're hindi ka mahilig masyado ng abura or yung hindi ka masyado mahilig sa oil, ito, it's oily kasi siya, yung donuts is oily, 'di ba? Dahil siya fry siya, 'di ba? Agimuno siya, nagagamit tayo ng oil dito, so it's a little oily. So, yes, pag hindi mo gusto to, I'm sure iwas ka sa mga oily, 'di ba? Masarap siya. Yes, this is 4.5 really to me. I like the donuts curry ng 7-Eleven. So, yes, we will move on na sa next one. So, may 2 items pa tayong i-review ngayon for this sa video na to. So, let's go to the next one. Okay. We're going to share yung binili namin ni Sotakun. Ne, Sotakun, Sotakun wa ne, tabetemiru ne. So, minasang mite kudasai ne. Sotakun to mama ga taberu yo. これが揚げ物なんだね。今、セブンイレブンがやってるんだよ。ね、揚げ物ドーナツ。そう、揚げ物ドーナツ。It's a fry, mga fried na mga, pina-fry na mga items. So, it's a fried donuts from 7-Eleven Japan. So, yes. So, sige na, kainin na natin to. Okay, so this is, from, 7-Eleven, okay? Convenience store here in Japan. So, this is, donuts. Ito yung kay Sotakun. Sotakun, ipakita mo. Ay, Sotakun.
The freshly fried sugar donut, Shiuga Donatsu, is a regular menu item from 7-Eleven Japan's 7 Cafe Bakery lineup. Not a limited edition treat, but a classic staple that fans consistently come back for. What makes this sugar donut interesting is how it brings a simple, nostalgic flavor into a freshly prepared convenience store snack. Unlike packaged donuts that can feel stale or heavy, this one is fried in-store, which gives it a warmth and freshness you can smell even before you take your first bite. Priced around 130 yen, 140 yen and 40 cents with tax, this donut offers excellent value for a freshly made item. You're getting warmth, freshness, and a texture that rivals many specialty bakery donuts, all for a very reasonable price. For a quick treat, it's hard to beat. The freshly fried sugar donut from 7 Cafe Bakery is a delightful little treat that turns something ordinary into something memorable. With its gentle sweetness, soft texture, and wallet-friendly price, it's proof that comfort food doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be freshly made.
はい。で、so ito yung kay Sotakong first bite and first taste. So, ito yung kay Sotakong. Yes, this is the donut. So, itadakimasu na, Sotakong. Yes, so ang donuts ni Sotakong is this is called the, hora, 名前はagimono pan, agimono agita juga donuts. So, yes, it's donuts na agimono agita sugar. Agita sugar だよ、ほら。The name of this is the Agita Sugar Donuts. So, Agita Sugar. Pero wala siyang sugar sa iwawa. So, you will receive this to the, yes, sugar. The sugar cafe. Yes. It is a sugar. 砂糖だよね。そう、これが砂糖入ってるね。そう、ここにかけるんだよね。お砂糖はね。はい、これもらったんだよ。レジンはね。これもらって方がね、忘れないようにね。はい、開けて。で、はい。
ちょっとかける。
うん、じゃあ、ちゃんとかけてください。ママ、これ一回切ったんだよ。はい。じゃあ、かけてな。好きなかけて。
ママ。
好きなかけていいよ。ね、パラパラね。まあいいや。オチはお砂糖あるから大丈夫だよ。
覚えた？
大丈夫。あるから。オチもあるから。お砂糖いっぱいある。いいよ、大丈夫だよ。こぼれてないよ。ここがきれいなんだから。でしょ？大丈夫でしょ？買って食べればいいんでしょ？
こう？
うん。Yes。
こっち。
うん。買って食べれば。ほら。かわいいね。こうやって食べるんだよ。そう、こうやって食べて、お砂糖だから、こうやってにするんで、こうなるんだよな。そう、こうやってするって、ドーナツはね、こうやってやって、こうなるんだよ。お、美味しそうだな。はい、じゃあいただきます。いただきますって。
いただきます。
はい。うん、食べな、そうたのだから。はい。どうぞ。持っていいよ。で、これもね、これもそうたもんだから。ママじゃないから。ママチョコだから。そう、これいくらだっけまた。もっとあるよ、砂糖。はい。Yan ang kay Sotakong. So, of course, yes, wag niyo kalimutan to. May sugar siya. Baka malimutan niyo yung sugar para sa donuts ninyo. Okay? So, yan siya. And the price, ikura dakke, Sotakong. Sotakong no wa kore. Yako 30 yen. Ne? So, yung presyo, ito, yung price kay Sotakong wa, このドーナツは130円ね。じゃあ、130円。で、130円だけど、30円ね。30円違うな、これじゃない。30円、discount. So, sa original price niya is maka 30 yen, 30 yen of Japanese money is discount. Okay? So, mura lang siya ngayon. So, maka 30 yen discount tayo ngayon sa mga agi, mga ganito, mga agi pang, no, it's not agi pang, agi donuts sa sa 7-Eleven, okay? So, yes, どうだったSotakong？美味しい？どうですか？言わないと。はい、どうですか？美味しい？美味しいですか？はい、大好きもね。これは大好きなんだよ。Sotakongはこれ、お砂糖とドーナツが大好きね。じゃあ、ランキングは？ランキング。1、2、3、4、5。1,2,3,4,5. Ranking gua? Nagkangahiro pa siya. Wala, nag-isip pa siya. 3? そんなに美味しくないんだ。
おいしい。
美味しいだけどなんで3なの？ 4、5は
4。
どっちだ？
4。
本当に4か。5は超うまいんだからな。5だと超うまいんだよ。4だとね、うまいの近くなんだよ。じゃあ4にするんだ。4？ 4にする？
違う。
4？
違う。
4.5？ 4でね。わかった。はい。じゃあ、it's a young ranking for this one. ママ、まだ、後でな。多分ママも、ヤンと。
酒と。
うん、それいいよ。その話じゃないから。うん、わかった。
5
5ね。Yes, okay. わかった。Hey, yes. So, yun ang ranking ko ni Sotakong. So, it's a It's a rank 4 kay Sotakong. Yes. So, for me, okay, arigato gozaimasu, Sotakong. So, let's go na sa akin. So, mama wa. Ayo. Ay, tabi na.
Hindi na tama yung sunod.
So, sa akin, it's ito na. Yes, this is for me. So, yes, ito na yung, yes, and the last one, itong sa akin, yes, yung
The freshly fried chocolate balls, Shiokarabo Ru 3J Ruri, are part of the regular lineup in the 7-Eleven Japan 7 Cafe Bakery collection. They're not a limited time exclusive, but they often feel special because they're fried fresh in store whenever stock runs low, and they disappear fast. What makes these chocolate balls interesting is the combination of simple comfort and indulgent flavor packed into a bite-sized treat. Instead of a plain sweet donut, these offer a fun twist, lightly fried dough surrounding rich, melty chocolate. And seeing them come out fresh from the fryer adds to the experience. At around 213 yen, 230.04 yen with tax, for a set of 3, this treat sits in the mid-range price point for convenience store snacks. You're paying a bit more than a basic donut, but the freshness, chocolate indulgence, and satisfying portion size make it worth the extra cost, especially if you want something a bit more dessert-like without going to a cafe. The freshly fried chocolate balls from 7. Cafe Bakery are a delightful balance of comfort and indulgence. Warm, soft, slightly crisp, and packed with melty chocolate in every bite. They're priced fairly for what you get and offer a satisfying sweet snack that feels a little elevated compared to standard convenience store fare. Whether you want a quick dessert or a cozy treat with your coffee, these chocolate balls deliver. Simple, tasty, and freshly made.
Yung last one is ito. Yes, the chocolates, donuts. Yes. Maliit lang siya and you can have three pieces inside of this, cute na box, no? Because it's very small. It's very cute and you will have 3 pieces of this inside this bag. So this is the one of the among the 3 items, this is the expensive one. So the price of this chocolates donuts, it's 213. So it's a Nihaku Jusang-en. So this is Nihaku Jusang-en in a Japanese money. So it's 213 yen. And it's a discount. It's a discount 30 yen. So it's 30 yen minus discount today sa 7-Eleven. So yes, nakakamura din konti tayo dahil may discount, 'di ba? May minus siya na 30 yen. So nakakamura din konti kahit mahal siya, 'di ba? So yes, tingin ko this is masarap to siya, I think. So let's try and let's have our first taste nito, okay? May Yuji tayo dito. Meron tayong toothpick. Yes, it's a toothpick. Yuji sa Japanese, okay? Language. So, yeah, meron na siyang dala. So, let's, please use this one, okay? Sa pagkain mo nito. So, para hindi yun yung kamay natin, iwas sa oily. Yung sa oily, pag fry kasi yung pagkain, di ba? Yung pag agimuno kasi, fry kasi, nagiging oily yung kamay natin. So, please use the toothpick, guys, because it's available. Ito, it's kasama na to sa sa price na pagbili mo, okay? Kasama na tong toothpick. Okay, so first bite and first taste nito. Itadakimasu. I think, i-microwave ko muna. I will microwave konti. Ni-microwave ko siya ng konti. Dahil pagkain ko kanina kasi is, siya, matigas. Matigas na yung, niya, yung donuts niya. So, I need to microwave. So, tignan natin na, kung yung, donuts niya. baka na soft na yung donuts niya pag microwave ko, okay? Yun. Okay. Yes. So guys, you need to microwave this one. If ever na bumili ka nito, then umuwi ka muna sa bahay, then di mo kinain agad. So it's better to microwave this one para aging yawara kay siya. To make it soft, to make it siya soft. So it's better na. But don't microwave too long because may chocolate siya kasi sa loob. So, yeah. Saglit lang na microwave. Yup. Chocoa.
Yan.
Sabi ko sa inyo chocoa, iranay daw Ay, hindi kasi. Chocoa?
Yan ay.
Sabi ko sa inyo chocoa?
Yan ay.
Iranay. Iranay nga, kiray nga. Hindi nga ako nagjo-joke. Hindi siya gusto ng Suta ko nga, hindi gusto ng chocolates yan. Yes, ako lang. So, ako lang ang mahilig sa chocolates dito. Hindi si Suta kung ayaw niya. So, yes. And yes, kakainin natin yung last one. Yes, yung last. So, yes, ang review ko nito is not very, sweets. Hindi masyado na matamis. So, this is recommended sa mga mahilig ng chocolates but not very sugary and pero gusto mo kumain ng donuts na chocolate flavor. So, this is for you guys. So, ako, hindi ko masyado nagugustuhan yung combination niya, yung texture niya, yung donuts niya nito, yung flavor niya. Hindi ko masyado siya nagustuhan ngayon ito. So, ang ranking ko nito is 3, 4, 5 lang. Yes, because少し硬いね、ドーナツがね。で、中身はね、美味しいだけど、そんなに甘くないみたいで、di ko na-feel yung dark chocolate sa ilalim niya. Yes. Hindi siya ganun ka-soft. So, yes, pero sa mga mahilig dyan na mag-try nito, please grab the opportunity ngayon. Baka mawawala na to sila. Di ko alam yung mga fried donuts nila. I don't know until when to. So, sooner, I hope na mag-try ka nito ng mga ganitong product dito sa Japan, sa 7-Eleven. Yes, ng mga items nila. So, if nagustuhan mo yung video natin today with Sutakong, I hope you will subscribe this year. Huwag mo na pahintayin next year. Minasang, guys, please subscribe this year. Okay? If hindi ka pa nag-subscribe ngayon, please subscribe. And I hope you will like the video today. Pag feel mo na gustuhan mo siya, happy ka na na-watch mo tong video natin ngayon. So, I hope na i-like mo siya. And, yes, the number one na gusto ko talaga pag mag-comment ka dyan down below. So, gusto ko talagang may nagko-comment sa video ko para magre-reply ako. So, I want to have the conversation with you guys in downstairs, the comment section. I hope you will comment there and I will always reply to your comment as soon as possible. Right away, I will always reply to you guys, minasang. And I hope, yes, comment down below if nakatry ka na ba ng ganito. So, yung masasabi mo sa comment, if nakatry ka na ng donuts ng 7-Eleven, mga agimuno from 7-Eleven, yung reaction mo, what can you say about the 7-Eleven convenience store in Japan, their agimuno, yung mga bread na ganito, yung mga sweets nila. I hope na, yes, mag-react ka, mag-downstairs below sa comment section natin, magsulat ka, sabihin mo dyan kung ano yung mga masasabi mo sa mga items ng 7-Eleven Japan, yung mga sweets nila, yung mga ganito nila, yes, mga donuts nila, di ba? Okay, so yes, we will have a conversation in the comment, okay? And if nag-watch ka until ngayon, until the end, hanggang dito, so yes, thank you for that. And also, please, watch the next one, okay? Because makikita tayo din. I will see you in the next one.